In Almaty, Kazakhstan, bulldozers began demolishing stalls at an outdoor market in spite of protests by vendors. Authorities had ordered the demolition to clear the site for new government buildings. After some stalls and containers were destroyed, the market vendors reached an agreement with authorities to delay the demolition for 1 week while they moved their businesses. In Kyrgyzstan, journalists gathered in front of the French embassy in Bishkek to show their solidarity with the victims of an attack on the Charlie Hebdo magazine in Paris. The journalists delivered a letter of condolence to a French diplomat who said the massacre was an attack against members of the press everywhere. On January 7th, gunmen shot dead 2 police officers and 10 employees of the satirical magazine, which drew death threats for its depictions of the Prophet Muhammad. In the Serbian capital Belgrade, trade union members protested against the planned privatization of a state-owned power company. The protesters said trade unions should be involved in the planning and execution of the company's sale. Some observers say austerity measures in Serbia, including the privatization of major companies and public sector layoffs, could result in the loss of 27,000 jobs. The first emergency rescue service has been launched in Pakistan's Khyber Tribal District. It's the first such unit to have an integrated fire and medical response with ambulances and fire trucks on call. The emergency service will be expanded to another 6 tribal districts in the near future. And in Tbilisi, children and their parents took part in holiday celebrations in the courtyard of the Georgian parliament. Parliament staffers also joined the festivities. The event took place between Christmas and New Year's on the Orthodox calendar. And that's the video roundup from Radio Free Europe, Radio Liberty.